Hello, everyone. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce a fantastic addition to your holiday decor, the more bulky Christmas ball ornaments. These ornaments are not just your typical decorations. They're a delightful blend of variety, texture, and durability that will add that extra touch of magic to your tree. Let's dive into the details. MOREBULKYBALSASSORTMENT. First things first, let's talk quantity and variety. Each pack of these Christmas ball ornaments includes an impressive assortment: 11 small balls, 1.57 inches, 15 medium balls, 2.36 inches, and 6 large balls, 3.17 inches. It's a generous mix that ensures your tree will be adorned with a plethora of festive elegance. A 𝐷𝐿𝐿𝐶𝐻𝐿𝑌𝐿𝑢𝑟𝑇𝑟𝑒𝐴. Now, here's where it gets interesting. These ornaments go beyond just size, they're all about texture and style. The surfaces of the balls offer a delightful mix: spiral, 4, glitter-plated, 9, shiny, 8, matte, 4, leaves, 5, and deer, 2. This variety allows you to create a truly multi-dimensional look for your tree, adding layers of visual interest and charm. 𝐿𝐼GHT_WEIGHTANDEA. Worried about hanging all these beautiful ornaments? Fear not! Each Christmas ball is not only visually stunning, but also lightweight. Equipped with a secure string, they are breeze to hang on your tree or any suitable place. It's all about making your decorating experience as effortless and enjoyable as possible. SHATTERPROFANDWETHERESISTANT. Quality matters, especially when it comes to ornaments that might face the elements. These Christmas ball ornaments are made of shatterproof plastic material. That's right, no need to worry about breakages or damage, even if you choose to use them outdoors on rainy or snowy days. They're built to withstand the whims of Mother Nature. VERSATILADECORATIONFORA. But wait, there's more. These ornaments are not limited to just Christmas. They're versatile enough to be used for various holidays, weddings, engagements, anniversaries, parties, you name it. The possibilities are endless. Hang them on tree branches, use them as table centerpieces, drape them around banisters, or create unique displays above reception areas at different lengths. These ornaments are also perfect for DIY craft projects, letting your creativity run wild. CONCLUSION. In conclusion, the more bulky Christmas ball ornaments are a fantastic investment for anyone looking to elevate their holiday decor game. With an abundant assortment, diverse textures, and durable construction, they're sure to become a cherished part of your festive celebrations. If you're ready to add a touch of magic to your tree or any special occasion, these ornaments are the perfect choice. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more festive ideas. Happy decorating, and I'll see you in the next video.